Today, we're going to learn about one part of our physical health, and that's our digestive system. And we're not even going to go that in depth. We're going to talk about one of the biggest problems I've seen in the United States. It's constipation. And funny, now you see, they're talking about it all over the television, which is great. When I first started doing this 20 years ago, nobody would talk about food that doesn't move through the system. Nobody would talk about it. And yet it was killing our people. And I say that with absolutely no question or trepidation in my mind. Stuck fecal matter in the intestine causes a 24/7 state of toxicity. And the gases made from rotting fecal matter go right through the intestines into the blood and cause us to have dirty blood and muscles that ache, brains that don't function correctly, bloating, insomnia, and all kinds of other lovely problems. And for ladies, by the way, being that your intestines are right next to your ovaries and uterus, it's not okay to have a constant state of noxious, poisonous gas going right out of your intestines next to your ovaries and uterus. Guys, your bladder is right there. It's not okay to have these poisons going into the system. The other thing that I noticed when I first started studying the digestive system, why I think that constipation can kill you, is this. We have the nature of a portion of your digestive system is to draw the nutrients right out of the food through the lining of your intestines and again right into the blood. When we are constipated, what happens is we form this lovely black rubbery stuff around the lining of the intestine. You can't absorb food through that black rubbery stuff. You can't absorb nutrition through that black rubbery stuff. So as I was studying anatomy and studying in particular European and American ailments, what I was seeing was obese people dying from issues brought about by malnutrition. I had to research. I had to learn more. They were eating and eating and eating and eating and having no signal to stop. And they were dying of ailments, organ failures in particular, that are brought about by malnutrition. They weren't getting the building blocks they needed to have organs that function well. Yet they were eating their faces off. And they were 300, 400, 500 pounds. So I needed to learn more. How could that happen? And that's when I learned about this coating, this rubbery coating that forms around the lining of the intestines when we have a constant, state of constipation. And I began to realize in my own body that this could kill me. This could kill me.